Hello prime side lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made my luxury rosehip foaming scrub. I call it luxury because making a scrub with rosehip is really luxury, especially when rosehip organic powder is involved. Alright, so if you want to see how I made this beautiful goodness in a jar, come on, join me on this video. So on a quick one here, because this video I won't be wasting your time, I will be having my rosehip seed oil. Now look at the luxury of this oil. That is why I always say make sure you're sourcing the best ingredients for your formulation. So after having my rosehip oil in here, I'm going to be adding my cocoa glucoside. This is a surfactant that will actually help this scrub to lather. Like I said earlier, it's a foaming rosehip and sugar scrub. So this cocoa glucoside, which is a surfactant, is going to help this to lather while using it. So after adding my surfactant, I'm just going to simply stir this, and then I'll go ahead to use my hand mixer to mix this up till it gets thickened a bit and it looks emulsified. Note that this is not an emulsified sugar scrub, it's just a foaming sugar rosehip scrub. So after mixing this, I'll go ahead to add my white sugar, my white granulated sugar. You can use your baking sugar, your sugar from your kitchen, and then mix it gently. After mixing in my sugar, I'm going to be adding my rosehip powder. Now this is not a synthetically made rosehip. This is normal rosehip seed that I grounded and it became like this. So what I mean is this is really organic, and it's quite expensive to buy the rosehip seeds. Talk more of to ground them. That is why I said for you to get this, it's really luxury. Now rosehip plant is a beautiful plant that is filled with antioxidant and helps to brighten the skin. Emphasis on the brightening. It's a very beautiful oil that is non-comedogenic. It's suitable for all skin types and all skin complexion. And it's a very great anti-aging ingredient because it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to prevent damage from the sun. So after mixing in my rosehip seed powder, oil, and my sugar, I'm going in with my preservative. Here I'm using Germal Plus preservative, which is a broad spectrum preservative and not necessarily needed here, but because this scrub will be used in the bathroom, and in the process of bathing or using it, water can go into it, and that is why we are adding a preservative here so that it can inhibit the growth of microbes. And thereafter I'll be going in with my rosehip essential oil. This scrub is a rosehip scrub, so that's why we are using rosehip all around here, and the essential oil is the concentrate of the rosehip itself, which means that this scrub is completely blessed with rosehip. So for freshness sake, I'll be going in with strawberry and shortcake fragrance from Nature's Garden, and this combining with the rosehip give actually a nice smell. I'll give this a fine stir, and then I'm going to be adding another ingredient. This ingredient is basically for anti-aging. It also assists in glowing, and it helps to enrich the skin with lots of antioxidant. Here we have our beta carotene oil. Because my beta carotene is really pigmented, I'm just going to be adding some few drops. I'm not measuring this, and then I'll just stir this and see how it changes the color of the scrub, and it also made the color of the scrub to be more vibrant. Let me give this a little whip, and then rosehip sugar scrub is ready. Now this scrub will help to brighten the skin, will also help to fight aging, and of course give the skin an even glow. This is also one of a great choice when you're fighting dark knuckles or an uneven skin tone. And don't forget that scrubbing should be at least 3 times a week and not more. I'll go ahead to store in my rosehip sugar scrub in my jar, and it is all ready to be used. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please help me do that right away, and also help me hit the like button on this video. It helps me to grow my channel. Thank you so much for always stepping by to watch my videos. I appreciate your old and new subbies. I also have other scrub recipes down in this YouTube, and you can check them all out. I really want to see you in my next video, but until then, take care and have a lovely day. Bye.